I can't believe we're leaving this room. Yeah, we had good times there. Yeah, good times. Except with fruits and edges are getting cut in half. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's get this all on the road. Alabama. Hello. Oh gosh darn it. They left without me. I'm so dumb. Dry up your tears. Here's your new and improved Annie and Clara, but what? Just candy as Annie and Clara. Hi, and Emily. Oh, and Philip. Wait, Philip doesn't sound like a boy. Now here's Gordon. Karen Morgan as Gordon. Hey, what you doing here, boy? What the? Hey, what you doing here? What are you looking at me? Good luck he has Percy. Aha, I am cool. Yo, I am cool. Whoa, Percy really is a boy. And Gollum as Toby from Lord of the Rings. Ah, so bright, so beautiful, so precious. Ooh, that's actually gonna haunt my dreams for now. Now, here's the new and improved lady. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. This is actually gonna be cute and fun. See the voice of Buttercups and Starfire from Teen Titans Go, Teen Titans and the Powerpuff Girls? Yep. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. And here's the new and improved James. I don't care. Soldier as James. Okay. Hey, do push-ups. I command you. No. How? Okay. I don't care. Let me on the owl. And here's Kellen Moore, Tom Carey as Edward and Victor. Yo, what's up? Yeah. And important as Spencer. Hey, and Karen and Tom Cruise as Thomas the Tank Engine. Hey. And Zuka. Hey, Chubby Iceman. Chubby Iceman. Hey, like it. I can't take it away from us. Let's get it back. Let's get precious. Shut the heck up, Toby. Or should I say fake, Toby? Hey, who's those guys over there? What? Looks like we were mistaken. I certainly didn't start right now. Thanks a lot, Joe Hackett. Hey, Percy. Who the heck are those guys? We're the new and improved. Get out of here. I'm a time traveling party pootsy. With cat pee-pee and cat penis. Ew. And cat boobies. Ew. Yep. Get this guy out of here. He's disgusting. Okay, maybe they just says sign. What? To get out? Really? No, sign. Hey, chubby eyes. Whoa, that's gonna hurt. Yep, that's the nightmare I'll never see again. Oh, I kind of feel bad for them dying. Yeah. I'm still trying to tell it, pretty potty. This is Henry. Ooh, delicious train nuts. Ooh. That is the nightmare that I will remember. And the nightmare with Toby sound like Gollum from Lord of the Rings.